So today's Terminology Tuesday is staging. And obviously most people know what staging means. It's getting your property in real estate, getting your property ready for sale. But what it really means is adding value. Staging today, no joke, can add $25,000 to $50,000 in your pocket. It's the decluttering. But what we've been doing lately, which we're getting such great, phenomenal actually results on, is bringing in a couple key pieces. On our latest listing, we took out just it was a nice mirror. It was a square mirror in the bathroom. Brought in the super cute black wire mirror from Target, and it just changed the whole look of the bathroom. We added that, we added some white bedding, and it just looked great. We have 16 offers, $75,000 above asking. So I would say it worked. So again, it's about adding value. It doesn't necessarily have to be a big company. It can actually just be myself loading up my car and bringing over some really great stuff.